Bree, what's your favorite color?
Don't ask questions.
Hey Bree, what color pants do you have on right now?
Don't ask questions.
Hey Bree, do your feet smell? Cause I just called a whiff of something.
Don't ask questions.
Hey Bree, what size clothes do you wear?
Don't ask questions.
Hey Bree, what color is the sky?
Don't ask questions.
Hey Bree. What's your favorite food?
Don't ask questions.
Hey Bree, do you like hot dogs?
Don't ask questions.
I see your dirty face.